Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding.
European mignonette, cultivated as a source of yellow dye, naturalized in North America. Dyer's mignonette, Dyer's rocket, Reseda luteola. United States abolitionist, 1803 to 1895. Theodore Dwight Weld. A metal joint formed by softening with heat and fusing or hammering together. Joined together by heating. Weld metal. Unite closely or intimately. Her gratitude welded her to him.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.